We gotta fix these valve stems on these trailer tires. Florida bait boy gonna take the wheels off, start getting the air took out and set up. We left the lights on. All right, y'all. Florida bait boy, holla boy here. We're gonna show y'all how we break the beads on some tires. You know, the easy way. First thing first, I got this rim in here just to give me some extra spacing, because where the straps through the rims are here, I don't got enough for the, you know, the hook and the ratchet. But we're hooked in, it's tight. You see under here, we got that right on that lip, and we'll pull the strap down where it starts pushing it, right? All right. Now go ahead and start pumping that jack for me.
Finally done got that motherfucker off. Be goddamn fucking. Yeah, you hear that? That's a shitty situation, but we got it under control. She gonna get right.
She ain't want to move too much. But I'm telling y'all guys, with a floor jack, a ratchet strap, and a couple bars and hammers, maybe an extra tire or two. I don't know what else you might need, but it's definitely doable. What do you think, Austin?
I think you should take that bitch to a tire shop.
Hey, Weldon Willie's, we make it happen though.
Or just bring it over here.
Or just bring it over here. We'll do it for you. That's all. All right, so we're gonna take this valve stem out here. You'll see it's rusted around there. It's leaking air a little bit. Oh, the inside actually looks good, but it's rusty on this side. So we're gonna get her going. We're gonna try to replace her with just a little rubber valve stem. Cause I don't got no more rubber washers for these.
And rubber don't rust.
And rubber don't rust.
Little tap and go.
Little tap and go. And she's out of there.
She's out of there.
There's that one. All right, right there, it's a little bit dirty. So take this.
Out with the old and with the new.
I'm gonna take what's left of this little wire brush here. We're gonna clean up this rust. Just enough to get the rust away. We don't want to interfere and make an air gap. Nice and white. I'm gonna go in here and do the same thing. She walked away.
Turn your pretty
all right. Clean the hole up. We don't need that no more. Holy now. Pair of channel locks. Your favorite pair of channel locks.
Plumber's best friend.
And a new rubber. And you just feed it in from the bottom. From the back. I grab it with this. Other people might buy a tool to do it. I just grab it with this and just...
Don't mess the threads up.
Yeah, don't grab the threads. Grab just below. I don't know if y'all see that. I'm grabbing just below the threads. And just wiggle her up into there.
Old wiggle tactic. Show me. So what you gotta do is feed this valve stem up through, and then get it. What you got? The seat past that little thing.
Yep, that's that little lip. That's the hard part.
So you get a little lip through that closed gap, and then this back part expands and causes the seal.
Yep.
Boom. What up? And she popped in. As you can see, the little ridge part there.
We clear the wheel, and then we roll it over here.
Excellent.
And that right there is how you change the valve stem, or do it on both sides, vice versa. Change the whole tire. We got the first one did. Now we're trying to do this one. That wrench for some reason is going a different size. I'm telling y'all though, floor black jack and ratchet strap, a floor black.
A flat black jack, floor black jack, jack black.
Hey, that's it, buddy. A floor jack and a ratchet strap, and you in there. But you need the tire bars and a couple wrenches, you know what I mean? Without that, you just don't even try. But I think I convinced Tilly how easy the second one went.
Yeah, this one went a lot smoother, y'all.
That is better than a tire shop.
It's a lot cheaper too.
It's only 10 bucks, but shit, 10 bucks a tire. We say 20 bucks today.
I would still personally, me myself, bring in a Weldon Willis for them to do real quick, you know.
Let me get that hammer behind you, please.
If they're feeling up to it, because this is some kind of bullshit sometimes, you know.
$50. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. 150. We do tire work. We'll change your tire, we'll change your valve stem, we'll do anything you need to the tire, about $250. We'll pop a plug in that bitch for 20 bucks. It's up to you. Just so y'all know, that was all bullshit. That's a joke. I wouldn't charge none of y'all that stuff. That's nonsense.
Somebody talking that, you need to turn around and head out.
Head out.
Chinesium.
Some cheap Chinesium. So this is spit. And we just spray some spit onto there.
We pay the local kids around the neighborhood to come spit in the bottles for us and try to help the community.
That's it. We also have clean urine if anyone is interested.
$20, $10 cheaper than your local Quick Mart.
All right, so we're gonna put that there. Again, grab it down low, pull it up. Right, it's popped on in. Let's get these tires mounted up. Where's that big red impact at?
That's some bullshit. I forgot I was videoing for a second. My bad, y'all.
I thought you stopped.
Florida bait boy tripping, y'all.
I thought you stopped.
Tire go on. Tire go in circles.
And guys, we're gonna show y'all the quickest way to get your trailer off of the jack stands. There it is, trailer's off the jack stands. Once again, guys, like we said, we do pickup, repairs, and deliveries. This trailer is Florida Bait Boy. It's his trailer. We had to make a deal today because we buddies. He needed his trailer fixed. I had to go pick up a golf cart. Hand in hand, we made it work.